Could you imagine just waking up every single morning and checking your phone like you always do, and seeing a notification of a $300 payment sent directly to your account, another $200 payment notification sent directly to your account as well as several other payments right into your account so you can have an extra couple of $1,000s sitting right in your PayPal account? Well, in order to learn how to do this yourself, just visit this website right here. I'll show you exactly what this website is and how to use it to earn this much money later in this video. But before I begin today's video, if you live in a country that doesn't have PayPal, there's no need to worry because this method of making money online can pay you in several different payment methods, and it's also available worldwide. So anyone in any country can work these jobs. There's so many jobs available online that are always hiring, in which you can apply immediately after the video. You can apply and register for any of these jobs, and they are completely free, where you won't need to pay any investments or have to pay any money or pay any additional fees. You can start from literally anywhere in the world, and they are all available worldwide. I'm going to show you exactly how you can sign up for your own free account and walk you step by step through this entire process. I'll also show you the jobs that will pay you the most amount of money and that will require no hard work or any necessary skills or experience. So make sure you watch this entire video up until the very end so you don't miss any extra tips and tricks. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing I'd like you to do is head over to this website called flexjobs.com. This website offers a wide variety of different international and work from home jobs, which are available in many different countries. You can see that since 2007, this website has been the best place to find vetted remote, work from home, and flexible employment opportunities. This website also offers full-time and part-time jobs, so it makes it very flexible for anyone when looking for a job on here. And then right here, you can see that they are currently listing over 27,000 jobs from over 5,000 different companies. So in order to make sure that the jobs on FlexJobs are actually worthwhile, just go to Google and search FlexJob reviews, where you can find all sorts of reviews of people talking about how the website is really helpful, completely legit, and super trustworthy. And in just a second, I will show you the many different categories that are available, all of the information and resources that you need, and the examples and some bonus tips. I'll also be showing you how you can earn the most amount of money and be able to earn even more money every single day. So just make sure that you watch this video all the way through to the end to understand exactly how to use this website. So I don't want to waste any more of your time, so let's jump straight into it. So first, head over to flexjobs.com and then go up to the top right corner and click on the button that says Sign Up. Once you've clicked on Sign Up, it'll then redirect you to this page where you will fill out some basic information like your first name, last name, email address confirmation, a password, and then you're going to write how you heard about FlexJobs, and then you'll click on this box right here that says that you agree to the privacy policy and terms of use. After you've filled in all of this information, you will then click on this orange box that says Sign Up Today. After you've completed signing up for your account, you can then head over to the Find Jobs section by clicking on the button that says Find Remote, Hybrid, and Flexible Jobs. After you've clicked on this, it'll take you to this section where it'll say Find Remote Work from Home and Flexible Jobs. It states right here that there are more than 50 career categories that you can explore, and the positions range from entry-level to executive roles. So if we scroll down a bit here, it'll show all job categories that you can browse through and select to see which one you think you would enjoy the most. There are literally thousands of different jobs here that you can choose from, a wide variety of different subcategories where you can work as well. So for the first bonus tip that I'd like to share with you is to check out the data entry jobs, as that seems to be one of the most popular and most enjoyable jobs for many people. It's also a job that you can do from home and tends to be a well-paying job for many. Before we continue on, if you would like to make even more money, make sure you click the link in the description box below. This link was created carefully and purposefully for the subscribers and viewers of Cashflow Worldwide so you can earn some more money. So make sure you check out that link because you won't want to miss this great opportunity. Also, in order for me to know which countries I should focus on when finding jobs or ways to make money online, comment down below the country that you live in. Another great option that you can check out and try is proofreading. All you have to do is navigate to Editing Jobs and click on the down arrow and then click on Proofreading right here. After you click on this link, you'll then be redirected to this page right here. Here, it will show all of these different proofreading jobs that can be totally remote. They will allow you to work internationally from anywhere in any country all around the world. You can work from home, you can choose to work part-time or full-time, making it super flexible, and more. There are dozens and dozens of all of these different jobs in this subcategory, and each of them will pay you differently depending on what the job itself is and what the work will look like on a daily basis. So if you just click on one of the job titles here, you can look for more of the information, which will be shown in the description of each job. Right here, it'll show what is included and all the perks of the job, like the ones that I've mentioned previously. So now, I'd like to show you an example of a proofreading article that you would have to go over as a proofreader. So right here is an example of an article that you would have to proofread and go over as a proofreader if you were to select the proofreading job on flexjobs.com. But you probably aren't a proofreader, nor do you know how to proofread any given article. You're probably thinking to yourself, what are you going to do in order to actually proofread this article? So what I'm going to do is provide two different softwares for you, where one of them is called paperrater.com and the other is called typely.com. Make sure you pay close attention because I'll be showing you how these work and how you can use them yourself. So first, I'm going to cover how the first software works, called paperrater.com. This software is a grammar checking software, plagiarism checker, and more. You don't need to download it. All you have to do is go and click this button right here to start using it. That will then take you to this page, which states that it's completely free, where you can submit your essay. Copy and paste it into the box below to obtain extensive statistics on word choice, grammar, spelling, and other factors. So if we scroll down a bit here, it will show the box that you can copy and paste the text into. There are several settings that you can control here, and then you can click on this box here saying that you agree to the terms of service below. Then click on this button here to get a full report. It's just that simple. All you do is let the software do all of the work for you. So what we are going to do is head back to our example article, highlight all of the text, copy it, then paste it all back into the software. After that, you will select the education level in which you will put graduate school/masters. For the type of paper, you will put thesis/dissertation, and then you'll click on the box saying that you have read and agreed to the terms of service below. Then you will just click on this button right here to get a report. The analysis will begin and the results will begin loading until it is complete. They will look for any and all grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, different corrections, all with just a single click of a button. Once that's completed, you will see all of the corrections right in front of you. The article will have been proofread for you in a matter of moments. Before I continue showing the next step of this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you aren't subscribed yet. And also be sure that you click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, let's get back to the video. So the next software I'd like to show you is called typely.com. After you enter this website, you just need to click on this button right here to start editing. You will just paste all of your text into here and then click this button here. This will begin the process of finding all the grammar mistakes and spelling errors. Once it's completed, you can just save the document. It's just that simple. So now that I've covered proofreading jobs and how to complete the proofreading requirements, I now want to show you some different writing jobs on flexjobs.com. So an example would be content writing. If you browse to online content and click on it, it's going to take you to this page where you will find online content jobs with hundreds of different positions that you can choose from, with many allowing you to work from home. So a software you can use for these writing/content jobs is one called articlesfactory.com. You can browse through and find several different articles and article ideas or categories like health, business, finance, travel, technology, and many more that you can copy and paste to get yourself started. And obviously, you can just copy and paste other people's work. This is simply just to gain inspiration and ideas to then put your own words to create your own content or articles. And by doing this, by writing these articles that any job on flexjobs.com requires of you, can enable you to earn like $180 a day. And that's basically it. You can browse through flexjobs.com to search for many other job opportunities and to find jobs in categories that interest you if proofreading or writing jobs don't personally interest you. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.